Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you on which exchanges you can buy certain cryptos. So the way I find exchanges is by going onto the coin that I want on CoinMarketCap, just a website. So for example Cardano. So scroll down and there you go, Cardano market. So these are all the pairs and exchanges you can trade ADA. So Binance, Kraken, there's plenty here for Cardano. For some of the lower cap coins, you'll notice there's less exchanges. But yeah, it is also very useful because sometimes it's hard to know which exchanges have certain coins on them. So, for example, if you wanted to buy Utrust, here you can see, we can look at some of the exchanges and then see which one we think, well, which one we like the most. Well, whichever one you like the most. I don't know why I'm saying we. But yeah, you've got to also make sure that the exchanges are reputable, because some are less safe and worse than others, basically. I mean, Binance, the top one, obviously. But yeah, as you can see, there's quite a lot on here. I don't really know them all, but you got to do your research on each one. So yeah, that's it really. I just thought it would be useful for people to know. I mean, it is really simple. I think a lot of people do know this little trick on finding exchanges, but I think everyone should know. So yeah, that was it really. Hope some of you found it useful. Thank you.